I'm a nobody. I'm just screaming into the ether, and I know, but nobody's listening. And I know, like, nothing that I say is going to change the mind of anybody who hasn't already, like, got it figured out. But just on the small chance, it's really not hard to understand if you want to understand it. Every living person, every single living, breathing human being on United States soil, continental or otherwise, is entitled to due process under the law. And what that basically boils down to is really simple. It just means the government can't do anything to you in any official capacity until you've had an opportunity to see a lawyer and see a judge and, go through the legal process, have an investigation, etc. So when people are like, well, immigrants don't get due process, it's like, that's how do you establish who is or is not an illegal immigrant if you don't investigate them? And they say, well, like, if you're here legally, then you have nothing to worry about. Then you produce like 25 videos of people who are green card holders, legal permanent residents, student visas, being rounded up all the same. Police reports of citizens being grabbed and detained for hours or days or over a week in some cases because they're brown, because they said they're citizens, or they said, here's all my paperwork, and some guy in a mask was like, I don't believe it. Even if you're somebody who's of the opinion that, citizens should be of like a higher status and it should be harder for people to become citizens or whatever. I mean, even if you really are just anti-immigration altogether, do you want to live in a country where at any time a guy in a mask might ask you for your papers? Does that not ring a few bells? Does that not concern you? Even if you're in the 15, 20, or maybe a little more percent of people who are seeing all the things happening to immigrants, and they're happy about what they see because it hasn't affected them personally yet. But even those people who are getting what they want right now, shouldn't you find it concerning? Isn't this against the whole give me liberty or give me death thing?